Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be giving you guys a hair tutorial because if you guys can see, my hair is looking crazy, and that is because I washed my hair last night and I always let it air dry. One, because I like to eliminate how much heat I put on my hair because a lot of heat can damage your hair. So I always let it air dry and then I go in with the flat iron. So I'm going to show you guys that today, how I flat iron my hair and the products that I love to use on my hair. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And yeah, if you guys are excited to see how I straighten my hair, then definitely keep on watching. Okay love, so let's get started with the products that I am going to be using on my hair before we get started with the whole hair tutorial. So some of the products I like to use are some of these, and then the brush that I love to use is this one from TJ Maxx. This is the Wet and Dry by Kala, I think it's called, and it's just a wet and dry brush. I love this brush. I love to use it on my daughter too because she gets a lot of tangles in her hair, and believe me, this brush is really good to take out her tangles because she's always complaining that, "Mama, you're pulling my hair." So this one doesn't do that. So I absolutely love it. So I love this brush. This is from TJ Maxx, so definitely go pick one up. So I usually go ahead and brush out my hair because when I'm sleeping, honey, I get a lot of tangles in my hair. So I usually go in with the brush and I just untangle it and it becomes a big old poof. So that's what I do. I usually brush out my hair to take out any tangles or anything that has got like tangly during the night because I sleep with my hair loose. So that is it. I just brush it out and then I go in with this Dove Style and Care. This is a smooth shine heat protection spray. I've been using this spray, I can say, like almost a year now, and I have not changed it. Like, this has been my go-to. This helps protect my hair and it just keeps it nice and shiny. I love my hair shiny even though I have an oily scalp. I'm telling you guys, I do my hair today, by tomorrow my hair is oily. Like, it's just that bad. But I love to use this. This is really good. So I'm gonna spray my ends with this because that's really where, you know, the heat goes the most, because you want to get those ends really nice and flat. So I usually just spray my ends and I just run it through my hair, and yeah, make sure I got all the pieces that I want. And yeah, that is it. That's basically what I put on. So afterwards, once my hair is styled, flat ironed, all that good jazz, I usually go in with my oil, and this is an Argan oil from OGX, and this is, I don't know how much I paid for this. I think it was like $9 to $10, and it's such a good oil. It's very good. I just apply this at the ends because, like I said, I have an oily scalp, so I don't need oil on my scalp. I just need it on my ends because they can be a little bit dry, and this makes it nice and shiny. So I absolutely love it. So enough of the talking, let's get started with this hair tutorial.